Hello, everyone. I hope you all are doing well. This is going to be a short video. Um, I've been thinking of, some selling some sort of digital product online. Um, and I was thinking, what should be the selling price? What should be the price of the item? How much can we spend on advertising in Meta or Instagram or even Google search? So I thought I'll create a small program using Python, taking the help of ChatGPT to determine, based on the percentage of conversion from Google and Meta ads. Um, so let's go ahead and see how it works. Okay, this program. What I've done is I'll just show you. So I've got this prompt here. The prompt will generate a program for me. So I'll give you this prompt in the description so that you can play around with it. So back here, so let me give this prompt here. So basically this is a short Python program. I have Python already installed. So if you haven't installed Python, then there are so many videos about how to install. So it takes a few minutes. You can go ahead and do that. So I'll take that code, which is nothing but right here, and I'll run it from here. ROI .py. Okay, that's our program. ROI with break even. So if I run it, Python program name. Sorry, cancel control. Yeah. Oh, I didn't copy that. Sorry. 1 second, dear. ROI star.py. There you go. Control C. Clear screen. Python program name. Enter. So the first thing it asks me is the cost of the product. So let's say my product, it's a digital product. So let's say I bought it at 100 rupees. Okay. So 100 rupees. Enter the weekly advertising budget. Based on some of the ads I ran in the past to promote our website, I saw that I spent about close to 1,000 rupees. So I'll give 1,000 rupees as my weekly budget. Okay. And enter the selling price of the product. So let's say we sell it at 280 with a 180 margin. Okay. Enter. In my past advertisement, I got about 50,000 impressions and 555 clicks. So instead of impressions, I'll enter the clicks here itself because I'm taking a percentage of that as the click-through rate or conversion rate. Okay. So I'll take 555. Based on if it's a Google ad, then the conversion rate is anywhere between 2.5 to 4.5 or something of that sort for search related ads. For Meta ads, the percentage is much higher. It's 9.8 to something. So let's put 9.9.5. Okay, just to be on the safe side. I'll enter. Okay. So the results are here. Number of units sold is 50 to 53. Because this 555 into 9.5 would be the 52.53. Revenue we have generated is 14,763 and profit out of that is 8,490. Profit margin is 57.51%. Actual cost per unit is 100, as we've already entered that. Advertising cost per unit is 18.97 because this 52, since you're spending 1,000 rupees, will be divided by 52 units. So your cost is 18.97. So total cost per unit is the base cost, which is 100, and then 18 point the 18.97, which is the advertising cost. So your total cost per item is 118.97. Now this is based on my advertising cost. It's also giving me the break-even units, which means to break even, I need to sell at least 5.56 units. Let's say close to 6 units to break even. And to break even, my conversion rate has to be minimum 1%. Okay? And we are giving 9.5%, which is a lot higher than 1%. So this program gives you an idea what happens when you spend advertising money for a digital product or even physical product. If it's a physical product, obviously there will be other costs involved for packing, for courier, unless you are claiming that from the customer, the buyer. Otherwise, you have to incorporate those expenses into the base price. Cost of the product plus. Let's say 20 rupees is 30 rupees is for delivery, so it will become 130 plus something like that, packing material plus all that. But if it's a digital product, then it's a paid download from your website or any other source. So hardly there's any cost in it. So the cost is only. And let's say this 100, we said that the unit cost is 100. It's possible that actually the unit cost is 3,000 because you bought a digital product from let's say a PLR source, and you've been selling it. After you have sold a certain number of copies, you would have recovered your 3,000, and going forward your base cost will become 0. So everything is a profit. I hope this is helpful. I will provide the prompt in the description. You can play around with it in case if you find any issues, you can fix it. Give it to ChatGPT and it'll fix it for you. I hope you like this video. If you are interested in watching more videos like this, just let me know in the comment section and I'll give you more videos like this. Okay. Thank you so much. Cheers.